All right, question 6. They give us a table that shows the relationship between diameter in inches and height in feet of trees in a national park. What linear function best models the data in this table? So I'm going to use a graphing calculator to do this. You can find one of these for free. You can find an app on your phone or even online. But to do this, and you may need to slow down the video a little bit, but I'm going to go to Stat right here in the middle of the screen and then choose number 1 for Edit. Everything should be cleared out of your list 1 and list 2. To clear out a list, you just go up and highlight L1, press the clear button, press down, and it will clear out that list. Well, in L1, I'm going to type in the X values. So the first X value is 8.3, so I'm going to type it in, hit enter, and then 10.5, enter. I'm going to pause the video and do this. So then we got a couple more values, but double check your work, because 9 times out of 10, if you make a mistake, it's right here. And I do the same thing. I'll mess this step up. So once we get L1 in there, now we're going to go to L2. We're going to type in the Y's in the same order. So starting with 70 and then 72. Then once you type in that last 81, you should notice your two lists, they line up perfectly. Each list has 10 values. Now to get the linear function, we're going to press the Stat button again right in the middle. But this time we're going to hit the right arrow key to go to Calc across the top. And we already know this is a line, so we're going to go down to number 4 for linear regression. We're going to hit Enter. Some of you, it may go immediately to the answer. For me, I've got to hit Enter a few more times until I get down to Calculate. So I'm going to hit Enter once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then it finally calculates that equation. Y equals AX plus B. It gives us the A value of 1.04 and the B value of 61.9. So our A value that's closest to is positive 1. Our B value is closest to 62. And then for the rest of this, we can use that equation. So then the question says, based on the linear model, the approximate height of a tree with a diameter of 22 inches. So remember, diameter is your X value. So we're just going to take that equation and we're going to replace X with 22. So 1 times 22 plus 62, that should give us just 84. And that's an option. Correlation coefficient for this model is 0.95, indicating that it is a good model for the data. Any correlation coefficient, remember, that is close to 1 means the equation we've come up with is a good fit for the data when the R value is close to 1.